Today I am going to the Rainforest Cafe. I'm not sure what it's really called, but I know it has rainforest in it. So that's what I'm doing today with my friends and family. We're actually getting ready to head out now. As you guys can see, I'm in the bathroom. I was getting ready, so I'm about to leave in like 10 minutes or so. So today's video is going to be interesting. I'm excited. It's like 8 something in the morning right now. I'm not sure exactly what time it is, but the last time I looked it was 8:30. So I'm pretty sure it's like 8:40 right now. That's what we got going on today. And then we're going to be there basically all day. It's 10 to 6 p.m. like 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. so literally all day. And then like later tonight I believe we're just gonna do dinner, and then like yeah. But a little sad news that I have is today is our last day in Puerto Rico, and I'm sad. I like it here. It's nice, the environment is clean. Now the food, I didn't have a good experience with the food, but yeah, everything else, you know, it's really nice over here. We leave tomorrow, so we go back home, but I'm enjoying my time now. We're not gonna talk about tomorrow, we're gonna talk about right now. So I'm gonna see you guys when I get ready to leave in a little bit. Before I leave though, guys, I wanted to show you guys like my little outfit that I'm wearing. I have on this top, I have on jean shorts, but then I have the matching set on with this. Yeah, and it's really cute. I like it. It's simple. I'm not wearing nothing major for my feet. I just have on these because we're just gonna be doing a lot of walking. I actually was supposed to get some water shoes, but I wasn't able to find none yesterday when we went shopping for some. So hopefully they have some there. So yeah, see you guys when I get there. Okay. It's actually like, guys, it's actually like not sunny today. It's like cloudy today. It was raining. You guys see, it was actually just raining, and it's still kind of like drizzling a little bit, but it's windy. It feels good, you know. But I hope it doesn't rain, because I was looking forward for it to be a sunny day, because we're gonna be basically outdoors like almost all day. But yeah, hopefully the sun comes out later. But right now it's like the clouds are like they forming still, so I don't know. But I'm with my cousin right now. We're actually waiting out front of the hotel because everybody else is still coming down. And it's like every time I get ready, I feel like I'm behind and I'm taking forever. But whole time I could have been taking my time and coming down actually like 30 minutes later, because everybody just, they got up before me this morning, guys, mind you, and I still managed to get ready like before almost everybody. Like, so that's pretty crazy to me. But we're about to get in our van now so he could take us to where we need to go. And I think the ride is probably going to be like 30 minutes or 30 to 45 maybe. But we have to get dropped off at another hotel, and then from that hotel we're going to get picked up and brought to the rainforest actually. So that's how it's going to go today. But yeah. So we're about to get on this bus right here, guys. We actually got on one bus to get on this one right now. So we're about to get on the bus right now, guys. We're actually running late already, but yeah, we're getting ready to get on and then, like, you know, head to our location now. Yeah. Everybody else is still outside when we need to be on this bus getting ready to go, but they still socializing and talking right there. Oh, you can barely see.
13 American Puerto Rican born soldiers lost their lives in the Holocaust. That's our Holocaust Memorial. And then we have our President's Memorial. These are presidents that during their term were here on the island. When they were president, they were here. So Roosevelt, Hoover, Roosevelt, Truman, our Capitol building here, where our Constitution is. That's what we're celebrating this weekend. It's a long weekend for us because July 25th, 1952, Puerto Rico became a Commonwealth, just like Kentucky, Virginia, Massachusetts, and Pennsylvania. And President Obama is here in 2011, so we have a statue of President Obama. They didn't find nothing and they were running out of food probably and had to turn back against the wind. So that's why it took a very long time for people to find the Caribbean from the other side of the planet. But there were Indians here before the Easterners, which were from South America.
Get mad.
Okay.
First, bruh, this show got my damn nerves.
Straight over there, Sam, on that coffee.
Oh, what? And nobody was gonna tell me that.
Too much damn dog. They just be laying out like they on the beach. You know I got confidence.
Now, there's some blocks here. Guys, you see these blocks?
Yeah.
We avoid them to the side.
They taking their time.
Oh shoot. This is what I'm talking about right here, boy.
Okay, guys, so I just did the water slide. Oops. Sorry, my camera was looking a little not clean. I just did the water slide, guys, and trust me, it's hard to vlog out here because you literally walking on rocks. Like, it's so hard to vlog because you could literally end up falling. So that's why I keep looking down. But we're about to go to the pool area right now, and I have everyone behind me. So yeah, we're just hanging out right now. And they felt like they were coming off. I said, hold on, let me take a... Guys, the first part of the Rainforest tour was really fun. I actually went on like the water slide. I took pictures by like a waterfall. What else did I do? I also went this little pool thingy that also had like fish because it's like fresh water. And now I think we're headed to the beach right now, and then I don't know what's after that, but we're leaving out now, and it's so like, I'm sorry, I'm out of breath. We like climbing up right now, so it's taking a lot of my energy, but I'm gonna check in with y'all later. Okay guys, so I just finished eating something. I'm going out to like gift shops right now. My brother gave me this rose. He is so sweet, it's so cute. I think the people actually made it from like a leaf or like a tree. Yeah, a leaf. That's what it looked like. From a tree, from a palm tree it looks like. But we're walking now, and I'm so glad that it's sunny out now because it actually was raining earlier. So I was thinking that it might rain, like, you know, while we were out here, but I'm glad that it's not. I'm glad that it stopped. But we have the beach like actually alongside right there. But we're just walking right now. You know, I still have on my bathing suit. After this, I believe we're just gonna go back to the first hotel, and then we're gonna go back to our hotel, and then yeah, and just chill, I guess, for later. like chill with each other until like, you know, it's time for us to like, you know, meet up later tonight. But yeah. Guys, I'm feeling myself right now. Okay, I am feeling myself. But so guys, we're coming in the store now to actually find, hi, how are you? We're coming to go find some souvenirs. We're in the store now. I actually have to go back home and bring some stuff home. It's like a couple people. Okay guys, so we made it to our first hotel, our first location that the bus dropped us at first, but our driver actually left to go drop one of the members to the airport, so now we have an hour wait. So we're about to get on some scooters right now instead of just sitting down and waiting, to just make time go by. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna try to vlog it. I don't know if I will be able to because I don't know how that's gonna work, but yeah, we're gonna get into it and then we're gonna see how that goes.
Oh, she got birds, fam. Oh, all of them birds.
Y'all, we actually just got done scooting. I wasn't able to vlog because like I was just enjoying it and I was going really quick, but it was really fun though and it was really cool. That was actually my first time going scooting. I never been scooting before. So it was actually like really fun for my first time, but we're about to be headed back to our hotel right now. Okay guys, so I'm actually back at the hotel now. I'm currently laying down because it's been a long day today. I'm actually really tired. So me and my friends and family, we actually went on a rainforest tour today, and on the rainforest tour we got there and we went like hiking a little bit, and then we went straight to this like water slide, but it was actually like a waterfall at the same time. We had some fun there. Then we walked along a trail actually, and then we went to like a pool area, and then we chilled there for like another hour or so, and it was fun. It was good vibes. It was actually really fun. And then like after that whole little rainforest tour, we was there for, I'll say we was there for about 2 to 3 hours, and then after that we actually went to like the beach area, which had like a lot of food stops, and we were there for like 2 hours. So it's been a long day, but it's been a fun day. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out today's vlog right here. After this, I believe we're supposed to be going out, like, because today is actually our last night in Puerto Rico. We're supposed to be going out somewhere. It's currently 8:30, so we're supposed to be going out around like 9:15. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Peace.